All right, everyone, so I'm on a roll. I just made some jar lids with this color palette, and they're really, really pretty. So I'm moving on now to coasters, because I am so out of coasters. I hardly have any coasters for the holidays. So this is Iridescent Silver by Golden with a little bit of Pearl Glacier Blue by Arteza. This is Pearl Glacier Blue by Arteza. And I think it has some, a little TLP frost in here. And this is a little Chantilly lace combination. It's a threesome. Little Chantilly from Prism Pour, Iridescent Pearl by Golden. And a little TLP, I think it was Whitehaven. Only want a little of this to make it feel frosty, even though the silver is going to do a good job of that. This is Arteza's Pearl Lilac. First time using this color. Love it. Beautiful color. Prism Pours, Violet Rose. No gold in this. The wintry colors for me, that's where I go with the silver. Now, this is Payne's Gray by Golden and Arteza. I don't know, I don't know if I released the video yet, but on one of the jar lids I made, I have a blooper because it fell off. These paints are spreading really nice. My white and my black, always mix it. Here we go. So I'm noticing lately as we get into the cooler season that the cell activator is not bouncing back as easily. So I need to make some adjustments, I think, to it. And I'm going to talk about that coming up. I'm also going to skip ahead some of the spreading of the pillow paint out. I think I'm blowing too hard straight down is what's going on. I need to blow it out earlier. I mean, it's coming back. It's just really slow. I think the temperature... I think there's something to do with the environment because it's definitely cooler in here than it's been. It might be playing a part. Although, if you look at Shelly Art's group and her blooms, often she's got a lot of the color of the cell activator in the middle. So I guess I'm in good company. I typically like to get my cells to be exploded in the middle. I also could be putting too much cell activator down. Let's give it a spin. Another spin. Let's get this thing to stretch. I'm going to cut out a lot of the cleanup as we go forward. This is definitely the Lilac show. Way too much paint again. As much as I can cheat it. And I know I don't talk about this a whole lot, but I do it every time. Every single coaster or painting gets cleaned up from the bottom to make sure that the paint stops pulling it from the top. So, I think it's done. Here we go, folks. There she blows. Different color combination for me. So everyone, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed the video. I apologize for the lighting here because the back two coasters are not quite that dark. It's just the way the lighting is here. But these came out spectacular and they are gone, and I cannot stay in coasters because these things just go like hotcakes. So these go with the jars, video 303 if you want to see them and the blooper that goes with it. And at the end, I will have a link to other coasters on my coaster playlist. If you're new here and enjoyed the tutorial, please subscribe, hit the bell and all. You'll get all my latest art tutorials. I put out about 3 or 4 a week now, and you'll get lots of updates and tips as we go. So that's all for now, everybody. Look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.